I want to cut across to Mr. Jain on primarily viewers, the orders and the big takeaways that have been passed by the Supreme Court. By prima facie, if you look at it, it's an extremely balanced order. Neither the Hindu side nor the Muslim side can claim a win, at least on what the order has been delivered. It's on a highly sensitive issue, and with what you see right now, the political socio-fabric, which was drawing a communal wedge, it seems to have at least put a balm on that interimly. Vishnu Jain, the biggest takeaways right now, number one, and one can't deny that, is the fact that the case has now been transferred to a district judge, yes, where a civil judge will not be hearing it. The Supreme Court, quote unquote, says a more experienced judge needs to hear it, though no aspersion has been cast on the lower judge.
See, absolutely right. Today in the hearing before the Honorable Supreme Court, the Supreme Court initially formulated the point that we are not casting any aspersions on the capability of the Civil Judge Senior Division, but looking into the sensitivity of the matter, we feel that the matter should be tried by a more seasoned hand, and therefore the matter has been transferred to the District Judge of Varanasi, and they will now decide the matter, and the trial will take place before the District Judge of Varanasi.
So that's a big takeaway, viewers. No longer the civil judge, it will be a higher judge, a district judge, a more experienced judge. The other,
one more thing I want to point out. When the matter has been transferred to the district judge and the trial will take place before the district judge, one stage is cut forth, in the sense that now the first appeal will lie to the High Court and the SLP to the Supreme Court. If it would have been tried by the Civil Judge Senior Division, the first appeal would have been before the District Court. It would have laid a 4-tier system. Now that system is...
So you are saying it's cut short the time period, but there's also legal, the very fact that they wanted an experienced judge.
Yes, experienced judge, but now it will be only 3-tier system: District Court, High Court and the Supreme Court.
Fair enough. The other big takeaway, and Vishnu Jain, I'll bring you in on this. When the district judge starts hearing this particular case, it will begin with only one plea, and that will be the maintainability. Whether there's maintainability, the Shringar Gauri case will come later, every other case will come later. They will hear whether there's maintainability on the basis of the 1991 Places of Worship Act, whether it should be allowed to be heard or not.
The order passed by the Supreme Court is that the issue of maintainability must be decided on priority. Now, to decide the issue of maintainability, our contentions of deciding the religious character is so intermixed a question which has to be decided with the maintainability of the suit. Therefore, all these things are left open before the District Judge of Varanasi, and if we are saying that the Places of Worship Act does not apply, we are free to argue that before the District Court. And if the Muslim sides are saying that this suit is barred by virtue of Section 9 of the CPC and the Places of Worship Act is attracted in this case, they are free to argue their point before the District Judge of Varanasi.